Okay, so when you look at this, you look at the question, according to case which does not belong. And so what it's asking you is look at all of these, oh no, look at all these awesome endings, right, that you have right here. And which one of those doesn't really belong? Well, if we look, we have O, we have I, we have IS, and we have AE. Well, three of these are dative. So if we look over here, we have an O, right? We have O, and then we have I, and we have AE, but this IS has no business being here, right? So we've got a bunch of dative singulars. So we've got the AE, we've got the O, and we've got the I. Don't worry about these. These don't exist yet, right? They're not real. So you have OIE. So the answer to this one would be IS, all right? And so that's how you figure that one out. All right. 11, according to case, which does not belong. We're looking at it again. We have another OIAE. Hey, that's crazy. It's the same thing. So again, you're looking at dative singular, dative singular, dative singular, and aurum, if you look, is genitive plurals. Boink. All right. So the answer would be this one does not belong. For 12, according to case which does not belong, we are looking at these again, and so we have AE, IS, I, and A, and so for these, we're probably looking at genitive singular. So here we have an AE, okay, that's genitive singular. Here we have an IS. Let's see, genitive singular. Here we have an I, genitive singular, and here we have an A, just through process of elimination. So if you see something like AE, you're like, okay, they could be talking about dative or genitive, or they could be talking about nominative plural. Nobody's ever talking about vocative, so don't worry about that one. And then you look at the next one. The next one's IS. Well, that can only be genitive singular. And does that match with this? Yes, genitive singular is one of our options, so that's obviously what we're talking about here. And so the answer would be A, because that cannot be genitive singular. Okay, hope this clears things up.